Welcome to Carter's Tiny Homes. Welcome to Carter's Tiny Homestead. This evening we're applying some copper fungicide because we've been experiencing a bout of powdery mildew on our butternut squash and our cucumbers, probably because of the humidity. So I mixed up a batch, and now with a little bit of water. I mixed up a batch and added it to water, and now I'm gonna go spray the plants. My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama, Mr. Baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's Tiny Homestead. Check out those leaves. They're like unhappy, so we gotta spray a little of this blue concoction. Oh my gosh. Some of the leaves are starting to die back. That's the cucumber plant. But this butternut squash, it ain't ready to go. So we ain't gonna give it no reason to say bye-bye. Powdery mildew has to do a lot with humidity.
No.
Too much overwatering, like if you water at nighttime, if you water in the night, or too late in the afternoon to where the sun can't dry it out, then it'll smolder and humidity, and that's where bacteria breeds. Moist, dark, you know. The parents do it. What are you talking about?
Well, then they'll be gone. So
You better let nature take its course.
yeah, that is true. You guys know this time to make sure they got some hay. But there won't be really next time because I got separated.
See, if you was trying to do bunny for food, then I would be like, yeah, you should be probably worried about it.
Yeah, I'm not really worried about it. I'll just keep it separated.
Mm-hmm.
Bunnies for food. Who would kill bunnies? Bunnies are too cute. I'm sorry.
So the copper fungicide is organic. It's probably just like crushed up metal, like copper. Like copper.
What?
The copper fungicide is probably just crushed up copper, I'm sure. That's why it's blue. Thanks for watching Carter's Tiny Homestead. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
It's so hot out here.
It is pretty muggy.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama, Mr. Baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's Tiny Homestead.